Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany and thank you for clicking on my video. Today we are finally decorating the outside of my house for Christmas. I am so excited. I loved how everything turned out. So if you guys want to see my decorations, then please keep watching. First thing I wanted to share with you guys an outdoor hack. Now, if you've got some spare lights and some twine and some tomato cages laying around, you can make your own little Christmas trees made from Christmas lights. So you're gonna take your lights, tie it to the base of the tomato cage with the twine, and you're just gonna wrap it up. It's really, really simple. It's not hard. Now, if you don't have tomato cages laying around, you can always get them from Home Depot or Lowe's. Or like $1.50 each. They're very inexpensive. I originally thought I was only going to use 300 lights, but later on you'll see I decided to add another strand of 100 lights just to make it look really full. Now you're going to take some tape and just tape up those ends there so they don't come undone. I'm going to put a star on the top. So you're just going to string on those lights. You don't have to put it super tight. You can add more, you can add less, it's completely up to you. Here I decided to add one more strand, and it just looks more full and complete. Now I got this tree topper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to kind of stick a light in there just so the star gets illuminated. Take the ties that came with the packaging and just tie it onto the tomato cage itself, if you can see here. I'm just going to go through and cut off those ties. And here's the finished product. Now I did end up making two, so you guys will see later on what I used them for. Alright, next up is this hanging on Santa. I got him from Walmart. You can hang him just as is, but I thought he could use a little fattening up since he is Santa. So I just flipped him over, cut a hole on his belly. Now you're not going to see this hole because it's going to be facing the house. You'll see later what I mean. I'm going to take a bunch of old shopping bags. Got them from Walmart in various places, and I'm just going to stuff it in there. Now be a little bit careful when you're doing this. You don't want to make the hole too wide, but if you do, don't worry, we're going to hot glue it later. So we're going to take this candy cane or any kind of rod just to shove that down in there. Just evenly distribute it, move it around with your hands just to make them look nice and fat. Once you've got him to your desired fatness, you're just gonna flip him over, push everything around, make sure it's looking even, and then you're just gonna hot glue it shut. Now, if you're good with needles and you know how to sew, you can sew this up, but I decided just to hot glue it. You couldn't tell that I had even opened it, so it turned out really good. And here we go. Santa's nice and fat and ready for hanging. Alright guys, I'm going to let you guys go and let you watch the decorating. I really hope you guys enjoyed how everything turned out. I think it turned out really great this year. It did take us 2 or 3 days to get it all done, and we do like to get it done before Thanksgiving, just so we can enjoy it for a full month. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I will link my other Christmas Decorate With Me videos down below if you guys want to go check those out. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. It means the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.